Seniors, add this hack to your breakfast eggs and boost your leg strength. My 78-year-old grandmother climbed 3 flights of stairs without stopping for the first time in 5 years. And it all started when she changed one simple thing at breakfast. If you're over 60 and want to regain strength in your legs, if you want to feel confident going out alone again, then you need to know about this discovery from an American nutritionist that's transforming lives. It's not medication, it's not heavy gym workouts, it's not a crazy diet. You know that feeling when you can't keep up with your grandkids at the playground anymore? Or when you avoid going to the grocery store because carrying the bags has become a struggle? 73% of Americans over 65 face this reality. But I discovered there's a specific breakfast that geriatric doctors are quietly recommending to reverse this situation. The discovery came from an accident. A nutritionist in Boston was testing recipes for diabetics when she noticed her elderly patients were getting visibly stronger. The secret? A specific protein crepe recipe that activates something in your body that medicine calls the morning muscle reset. We're not talking about expensive imported supplements or spending hours at the gym. We're talking about 15 minutes in the kitchen that can give you years of your life back. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss valuable tips like this, and leave a like. And before asking which state you're watching from, leave a comment. I want to connect with my followers around the world. Let me tell you exactly how I discovered this life-changing breakthrough. I was visiting a geriatric clinic in Boston when I saw something that stopped me in my tracks. Patients in their 70s and 80s were walking with a stability and confidence I had not seen in years. Their movements were fluid, their posture was upright, and their energy levels were remarkable. I had to know their secret. When I approached the head nutritionist, she smiled and said something that will stay with me forever. The problem is not just lack of protein, it is when and how you consume it. She had discovered that there is a golden window of opportunity exactly 2 hours after waking, when your body is most receptive to rebuilding muscle tissue. And the protein crepe she developed was the key to unlocking that window. But here's what she told me next that will blow your mind. Think about this for a moment. You have just gone 8 to 12 hours without eating a single bite of food. Your body is literally starving for nutrients, desperately searching for the building blocks to repair and rebuild your muscles. This is the critical moment when your body makes a crucial decision. Am I going to rebuild and strengthen, or am I going to continue breaking down and weakening? Most people unknowingly choose the wrong path every single morning. They reach for toast, cereal, or fruit, flooding their system with sugar and carbohydrates when what their muscles are screaming for is high-quality protein. But the crepe I am about to teach you gives your body the right answer every time. Rebuild, strengthen, and thrive. But what is the simple science that makes this work so effectively? And why are doctors just now discovering this breakthrough? I'm not going to complicate this with technical jargon and confusing medical terms. What matters is this one simple truth. Whey protein combined with eggs creates the perfect muscle-building combination your body has been craving. Here is exactly how it works. Whey protein absorbs incredibly fast, reaching your muscles in just 15 to 30 minutes. Eggs release their protein slowly over 2 to 4 hours. The result? Your body receives a constant, steady signal to build muscle tissue throughout the entire morning. It is like having a molecular personal trainer working inside your body 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But here is the recipe that is literally saving lives across America. I call this the Renaissance Crepe because it represents a complete rebirth of strength and vitality for everyone who tries it. Here is exactly what you need, and I want you to write this down because these measurements are critical. You will need 2 large eggs, 1 scoop, which is 30 grams of vanilla whey protein, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 pinch of salt, and cinnamon to taste. Here's how to make it, and please follow these steps exactly. Blend everything together for 30 seconds until completely smooth. Pour the mixture into a hot, non-stick pan and cook for exactly 2 minutes on each side. But here is the crucial part that most people miss. You must eat this within the first 30 minutes after waking up. Not an hour later, not when you feel like it, but within that critical 30-minute window when your body is primed for muscle growth. Why does this work better than any other breakfast you have ever tried? You are getting 35 grams of the highest quality protein available, 0 unnecessary carbohydrates that spike your blood sugar, optimized digestion for maximum absorption, and a taste that even the pickiest eaters love. But what results can you actually expect? And how quickly will you see them? Let me break this down week by week so you know exactly what to look for. In the first week, you will notice significantly more energy in the morning, less heaviness in your legs, and a noticeably better mood throughout the day. From the second to fourth week, climbing stairs will become easier. You will be able to take longer walks without fatigue, and your balance will improve dramatically. By the second month, you will see visibly firmer muscles, complete confidence in your movements, and you will feel like you have gone back 10 years in strength and vitality. But do not just take my word for it. Let me share some real testimonials from people who have tested this protocol. Joe, 71 years old from Phoenix, told me, "In 3 weeks, I was back to playing cards at the community center. I could not even leave the house for 6 months before trying this crepe." Mary, 68 from Denver, said, "My daughter looked at me and said, 'Mom, you are walking completely differently. I really feel like a new person.'" These are not isolated cases. These are the results that thousands of people are experiencing when they follow this protocol exactly as I teach it. But what if you get bored eating the same thing every day? Here are some variations that will keep you excited about breakfast. For weekends, try the sweet crepe variation. Add stevia for sweetness, top with fresh strawberries, and add a dash of vanilla extract. For weekdays, go with the savory crepe. Season with herbs, add diced tomatoes on top, and include a slice of low-fat cheese. For variety, try the tropical crepe. Use coconut-flavored whey protein, garnish with shredded coconut, and add a few drops of fresh lime juice. But here is the complete morning protocol that will maximize your results. At 6 in the morning, wake up and hydrate immediately. Drink 1 large glass of water with lemon juice. This simple step turns on your metabolism and prepares your body for optimal nutrient absorption. At 6:15, prepare your crepe following the recipe exactly. Do not skip any ingredient and take care in your preparation. At 6:30, consume your crepe mindfully. Eat slowly, chew well, and enjoy every single bite. At 6:45, engage in light movement if possible. Take a 5-minute walk or do simple chair exercises. Any movement helps activate your muscles and improve circulation. But here are the critical mistakes that will completely destroy your results. Mistake number 1, doing this only when you're a member. This must be done every weekday, minimum 5 days per week. Consistency is absolutely everything when it comes to muscle building. Mistake number 2, using poor quality whey protein. Invest in a trusted brand. Whey isolate is better, but concentrate will work. Vanilla or unflavored varieties work best. Mistake number 3, rushing the preparation. Blend thoroughly, get your pan to the right temperature, and cook with patience and care. The quality of preparation directly affects the results. But where can you find these ingredients, and how much will this cost you? You can find whey protein at supplement stores, major pharmacies, or trusted online retailers. Look specifically for whey isolate or whey concentrate on the label. For eggs, prefer free-range or organic varieties. Always buy fresh and store them properly in your refrigerator. Here is a money-saving tip. Buy a 2-pound whey container. It is much cheaper per serving and will last you an entire month. Let me break down the investment versus the benefit. Your monthly cost will be approximately $40. A 2-pound whey container costs $25 to $35, and eggs will cost $10 to $15. Compare this to a single doctor visit at $200 or more, monthly medications that can cost $300 or more, or physical therapy sessions at $600 or more per month. This is literally the best investment you can make in your health and independence. But when will you actually feel the difference? On day 1, you will notice more energy coursing through your body. By week 1, your legs will feel less heavy and tired. By week 2, climbing stairs will become noticeably easier. By week 3, your balance will become steadier and more confident. After 1 full month, you will see visible transformation in your muscle tone and strength. After 2 months, you will feel like a completely new person. The most important thing is to start today, not tomorrow, not next week, but today. If you test this protocol for 30 consecutive days, if you follow the recipe exactly as I have taught you, and you do not feel your legs becoming stronger, your balance improving, and your confidence returning, then at least you will have tried something based on real results from real people. But I am betting my entire reputation that you will come back to thank me for sharing this life-changing discovery with you. Today, I want you to go buy the ingredients. Test the recipe once to get familiar with the taste and texture. Tomorrow, start the official protocol. Write down how you feel each day and take a photo of yourself to compare later. In 30 days, come back to this video and tell me in the comments exactly how this protocol changed your life. Your success story could inspire thousands of others to reclaim their strength and independence. I want to create a powerful community of people who are actively recovering their strength and independence. Tell me in the comments section your age, what state you're watching from, your biggest physical challenge today, and whether you are going to test this Renaissance Crepe. I personally read and respond to every single comment I receive, because your success is my success. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I post valuable, healthy longevity content every single week. Share this video with someone who desperately needs it. It could be the most valuable gift you ever give to a friend or family member. Comment your state and tell me if you are committed to testing this protocol. Start tomorrow by buying the ingredients today and prepare to change your life forever. Remember this truth. It is not about how old you are, it is about how many quality years you still want to live. Your muscles are your life insurance policy. Invest in them starting today. I will see you in the next video, stronger, more confident, and ready to embrace the best years of your life. This content is educational and informational. Please consult your doctor before making any dietary changes, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications. Individual results may vary.